Now let's now focus on LLM AI model. So if you will going to see the AI agent meaning, so it's a mixture of LLM AI models and tools we have already discussed, what tools to choose, okay, and so on. So I believe that for now you will going to have n10 setup. Okay, wait, let me delete it. So this is how the fresh n10 will going to look like, okay, when you will going to create or install it on your server, let's say. Okay, but for now we will going to focus on LLM. Now what is LLM? So at the very starting of the lecture I told you that LLM AI model is nothing, just a AI brain. So there are various big companies like OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, DeepSeek, even X, and there are plenty of other big companies. What they do is that they create AI brain, artificial brain. Okay, just imagine it's like a human brain, but it is more powerful, smart, and fast. Okay, so OpenAI is one company, so they have created their own AI brain. Okay, so just understand, a LLM AI model is nothing, just a brain created by big companies. Okay, it's very powerful, smart. Okay, that's it. Now OpenAI has created their own AI brain, which is known as GPT. Similarly, Google also has created their own AI brain, which is they have two of them, that is Flex and Probe, and I'm recording. In future, they can bring other AI LLM AI models. Okay, another company is Anthropic. Okay, so they also have their two AI brain, or I can say two LLM AI models, which is known as Sonnet and Opus. Similarly, DeepSeek is another company, so they have their own AI brain they have created. Okay, or I can say LLM AI model they created, which they name as a DeepSeek R1. So all these big companies have their own LLM AI model. Okay, so they have invested and they have created their own AI brain. Okay, so all of them call their LLM AI models with different name. Like OpenAI company called their LLM AI model as GPT, Google as Flex and Pro, Anthropic as Sonnet and Opus, and in future they may bring another LLM AI models. Okay, but this is what the concept is. And if you go to the next presentation, here you will see that, as we have mentioned, all these big companies, so these are all the private companies. Now why they will going to create their AI models, or I can say LLM AI models, their artificial brain? Okay, just to make money. So guys, what we can do is that we can use as a normal user in our automation, if we are doing AI agent, creating AI agent. So at that time we use their AI LLM AI models, like we can use GPT, Sonnet Opus, Flex Pro, DeepSeek R1, and other companies LLM AI models. So all these companies say to us that okay, you can use our you know AI LLM AI models through our API. Okay, all the big companies provide us the facility to use their AI brain which they have created, and they offer us to use this AI model. Okay, and we can use them through API. Not it's something not very complicated. Everything you will understand. Okay, so all these companies say if you want to use our LLM AI models, then you simply have to go to their website. Okay, all these companies say just go to our website, generate API key, attach with, let's say, your automation tool. Let's say if you're using anything, so you can see your credentials option. So let's say if you want to use, let's say, OpenAI. Okay, so for now let's click on create credentials, search for OpenAI. You can see here OpenAI. So click on continue and they will ask API key. Okay, and once you put the API key, that's it. Okay, then you will be able to use OpenAI LLM AI model, I mean their AI brain, okay, in your automation. Okay, So use it as much as you want, pay the price in tokens. Okay, so as I have told you that all these companies were not going to offer their product for free. Okay, so AI brain is like all these companies, AI LLM AI model is not, they will not going to offer you for free. So it's like their product. Okay, so they are offering you their LLM AI model, and in return they will charge you on the basis of tokens. Now let's not go too much inside, but it's very simple. Okay, so suppose, let's say if you see with the case of OpenAI, so suppose I just search for OpenAI, just write the name of the company like OpenAI, and even let me show you with the, let's say, DeepSeek in another tab. Now just write here API, click on enter, you will see your OpenAI API. Just go here, sign up, it's totally free. Okay, you can just sign in, just go to dashboard, here you see API key, just click on create new API key, and let's say uh, XYZ, I name it. Click on create secret key, boom, your API key is created. Just copy it and just go here and paste in anything and click on save button. Boom, you will see that credentials successfully connected. Okay, so you can see connection tested successfully. That's it. Now you will be able to use OpenAI, artificial brain. Okay, OpenAI AI brain, which is known as GPT, on your automation. So it's something that's simple, and this is what these companies say. They say that if you want to use our AI brain, just go to our website, generate API key, and attach with anything. And this is what we did. We just search for, if you will going to notice, we just search OpenAI API, then we went and generated their API key here. Okay, boom. And once we generated their API key, then we simply attach their API key with anything. That's it. Okay, and now we can use it as much as you want. All we need to do is to pay the price in tokens. So that's what it is. Same in the DeepSeek API, just search for DeepSeek API, go here and go to DeepSeek platform. Again, you will see their API key. Click on create new API key. Let's say XYZ. Let's say any name you want. Again, boom, your API key is generated. Copy it. Go to your anything. Let's say here, cross it. We will going to discuss about credentials in details. What is this? Again, just search for, let's say, DeepSeek. You can see DeepSeek company name. Go here, it is asking for API key. Paste the API key, click on save button. Boom, it's connected. You can see connection tested successfully, and it is connected. Now you can use DeepSeek uh, LLM AI model, that is DeepSeek R1, that is the AI brain inside your automation. That's simple, right? So hope you guys have got the clear understanding about what we are doing. So we have told you that AI agent is the combination of LLM AI models and tools. So tools, we have used anything which we have already set up, boom, right? And after this we have integrated LLM AI models. Okay, so whatever you want to use, you can. And using both of them, you can build your AI agent. We will show you practically how everything goes, but the basic structure we have successfully set up, that is the tools and then LLM AI models. And frankly speaking, you might be thinking about what is the price we need to pay in tokens. Now for this, again, I'm recommending, and at the very starting of the lecture I have said you that AI is a very different field, artificial intelligence. It has plenty of concepts like NLP, LLM, prompt, tokens, API, etc. Now these concepts I don't want to discuss in AI agent in very detail. This will take lots of time. So for that, as I have mentioned that I have provided my free course. Let me show you again. Don't ignore it. If you have a time, make sure just go ahead and watch it. It will become very clear for all you guys. Okay, just go to courses and okay, click on free courses here from the top. You will see this AI one. Just search for AI in my website. This course you will see, just open it, close these ads, click on, you can see it's a 2 hours course, straightforward. You don't need to do sign up and all. Just click on start course button and watch it. Just take your time, spend your 2 hours, and you can say we have discussed each and everything in very detail. Successfully we have taught each and every step, what is API, applications, and much more. You will really going to love it. Like we are teaching right now, everything non so that everyone is able to understand, even if you are from non-tech background. So still we are trying to teach you in that way. Same we have taught here in this course as well, and that is what all our courses are all about. Okay, but make sure that you watch it. Okay, then you will basically be able to understand whatever we are doing. You will better going to understand the concept. And again, if you haven't watched the free course we have here, so please, I suggest you pause it. If you can watch, please watch it, then you will understand things more better and more clear. Okay, hey guys, so we have also provided the complete free course of AI agent in our website. So just search for Kuku courses in browser, go to kukucourses.com, uh, go to courses, click on free courses here, and just search here for AI agent. Okay, and then you will going to see this free course. Click on this free course, and you will see, once you click on the start course button here, we are going to add all the parts. Here you can see welcome to this AI agent course. Then part 1 is about, just click here to learn concepts of AI agent, and in future we will going to add more and more parts. Okay, so you can always come, totally free course. If you love it, you can always share this course with others as well. Okay, and I will also going to attach the link for my NA10 masterclass for AI agent full course. It's complete 12 hours course. If you are interested, you can also check this out. I will going to attach the link below. You can even purchase it at a one time single course. Okay, just for this course you can pay, or you can buy our membership, 20 years per plan or lifetime deal. Okay, so this membership will going to include the AI agent course plus other courses in our website. So that's totally up to you. I will attach the link below for this course. Okay,